I've been driving all afternoon, so leave on the porch light, 'cause I'll be the scene, and just forget all that you still.
Yeah, so I'm out of fluid. Just show you how to do it. It's really easy to do. This is the type of stuff you need to actually get more fluid for your windshield wipers. So pretty good extreme blue. Protects up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty good stuff. That's all the stuff that you need. Except what I did is just got open the hood. I just open this thing up. What do we gotta do left? What you gotta do there? Once you're done here, just gotta close the thing up. There you go, look, you're in the back too. Perfect. Goes like new. That's how you put more windshield fluid inside your car. Easy and simple.